Hello everyone and welcome back to Promark's interactive panel training session. Today we will learn how we can search for a word on the net while we are using our interactive whiteboard. If you see this whiteboard icon out here, we press on this and we take a new sheet here and we write heart. We need to select this word and search, press the search button out here. And we come down to images. We open our whiteboard and we split the screen. We can bring this word here, heart, and then we can select, suppose we selected this diagram. What we need to do is we need to crop this, bring it here, and we can press this is equal to MC squared on this, and automatically it will come here. We can enlarge this diagram or we can reduce it, we can position it in different places, and then we can start annotating on this.